Have you ever wondered why some people effortlessly accumulate wealth while others struggle from paycheck to paycheck trying to make ends meet? Well, don't fall for the myth that it's about studying hard, working hard, and saving hard. That'll put you on the slow road to staying poor forever. The truth is, there is a key difference between the rich and the poor. The poor work for money while the rich make money work for them. Sounds great, right? But what does that actually mean? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 assets to make you rich and unlock the doors to financial freedom. Whether you're a regular visitor to our channel or it's your first time here, our mission is to equip you with the knowledge and strategies you need to break free from financial struggles and build your wealthy life. So, stick around to make this year your year of financial liberation. Asset 1. Build a business. Building a business can be a powerful way to build income, allowing for flexibility and freedom. Unlike being an employee with a salary that's fixed and determined by your boss, there is no limit to your earning potential when you run a business. Instead of fixed earnings that barely keep up with inflation, when building a business, every deal closed, every satisfied customer, and every new product launch becomes a wealth-generating milestone. But it's not just about riches. Owning a business empowers you to be your own boss, shaping your work around your life and not the other way around. The key is building a system that operates efficiently on its own, with minimal input required from you. Doing so will require you to work really hard for the first few years to create your business and set up the right systems. But once set up, having a business can generate revenue passively for you for the rest of your life, freeing up your time to spend on all the things you really enjoy doing. Contrast this to being an employee, working 9 to 5 for 5 days a week, all for the pleasure of living paycheck to paycheck and working into old age. To escape the rat race, build wealth, and get ahead in life, you need to do something different to everyone else. Starting an online business is a great way to do this that is open and available to all, and yet still so few people actually pursue it. Whether it's freelancing, e-commerce, or running a social media channel, whatever your interests or passions, all the tools you need to start making money are available online. And creating an online presence like starting a YouTube channel can basically be done for free. We've all got some talents, whether it's being a master in the kitchen, making people laugh, or being a tech wizard. So why not share your expertise to help others struggling in your domain? This isn't just exclusive to YouTube, it's a universal script. Online courses, websites, blogs, and even your social media pages. All these can be turned into little money-making factories. And once your online ventures start bringing in regular income, you can then level it up. Think business expansion, better content, hiring a crew, and jumping on affiliate programs. The barriers to running your own business have never been so low, and the rewards, both financial and personal, can be life-changing. Asset 2. Real estate. Alright, so having a business is a solid move for building wealth, no doubt. But it's not the only player on the field. We're all coming from different financial situations, and for many, having a stable job is their financial rock. Taking the leap from job security to full-on entrepreneurship isn't always a practical risk. But don't get stuck thinking you're doomed to work for someone else forever. You can ditch the rat race by making some savvy investment moves at the right time. This is where a concept developed by American businessman and author Robert Kiyosaki comes into play. Kiyosaki's concept is OPM, or other people's money. Simply put, OPM refers to borrowing money to purchase more of an asset and increase your potential investment returns. Real estate is a classic way to borrow money to make more money, and Robert Kiyosaki recommends you borrow money to buy rental real estate. These properties can earn rental income, which will not only cover your mortgage, but also generate extra cash for you every single month. As you acquire more rental properties, the grip of your monthly paycheck loosens. This is the moment when real financial freedom starts to kick in. Investing in real estate can be a game changer for securing long-lasting financial freedom. However, if you don't want the hassle of managing tenants, real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are a great way to invest in real estate without having to buy a whole property or building yourself. When you invest in a REIT, you're buying a piece of a company that owns, operates, or finances income-producing properties. This means you can make money from real estate like office buildings, apartments, and malls without the stress of being a landlord. REITs are special because they have to pay out most of their profits to investors like you. This comes in the form of dividends. Investing in a REIT is similar to investing in stocks. You can buy and sell shares of a REIT on major stock exchanges. This makes REITs very accessible to regular investors. REITs also offer a way to diversify your investments. Since they're tied to real estate, they can behave differently from other investments like stocks or bonds. Asset 3. Index funds. Index funds are a great choice for anyone looking to grow their money. They work by pooling together cash from many people to buy a wide range of stocks or bonds. The goal is to match the performance of a specific market index or benchmark like the S&P 500, which is a list of 500 big companies in the US. One big plus of index funds is that they're pretty straightforward and less risky compared to picking individual stocks. Since they invest in lots of different companies, if one doesn't do well, the others can help balance things out. Another good thing about index funds is they usually have lower fees. This is because they are passively managed rather than being actively managed by fund managers making lots of trades. Over time, lower fees can mean more money stays in your pocket, which helps your investment grow. Investing in a broad market index fund, like an S&P 500 index fund, can be a cheap and easy way to start putting your money to work. This way, your money is diversified across all companies in the market without needing the time and expertise required to analyze and invest in individual company stocks. Asset 4. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares in a company that have the potential to grow in value and pay you a little extra cash regularly just for owning them. This extra cash is called a dividend. It's a portion of the company's profits shared with its shareholders. Why are dividend stocks a smart move if you're looking to build wealth in 2024? Put simply, they offer a win-win situation. Your investment will grow as the stock's price goes up, and you also get those regular dividend payments on top. Earning regular dividends can provide a steady income stream, which is especially handy during uncertain times. Owning some dividend stocks in your portfolio should ensure a constant income stream even if the price of some of your other stocks are falling in value. You can then use this income to cover your expenses or to buy more stocks, which means even more dividends in the future. Choosing the right dividend stocks is key. Look for companies with a strong track record of paying dividends and that are in good financial health. Asset 5. Commodities. Any savvy investor knows you can't put all your eggs in one basket. There are plenty of investment vehicles you can choose to diversify your investments, and one of the best is commodities, or what Robert Kiyosaki calls God's money. Commodity trading goes way back in history, from trading spices and silks and livestock to today's markets for oil, gold, silver, and other base metals. Why? Because these raw materials stay valuable to us over time as they are either consumed directly of use to manufacture finished goods. You can invest in commodities by directly purchasing them, for example, buying gold bars or barrels of oil. However, when you directly purchase commodities, you will need to physically store them. Not only do they take up a lot of space, there is also a risk they can get stolen, lost, or otherwise spoiled. Fortunately, there are much simpler ways to invest in commodities, such as futures contracts, commodity stocks, or investing in commodities through a commodity ETF. Investing in commodities is a great way to diversify your investment portfolio, as commodities usually provide very different returns to traditional investments like stocks. So if you invest in commodities and stocks and the stock market crashes, your commodity investments could offset the loss. Commodities can also provide great protection for investors against the effects of inflation. Generally, demand for commodities tends to be high during periods of high inflation, which pushes up commodity prices alongside rising inflation. As inflation is still not under control in the US, commodities remain an excellent choice of investment for any investor. Asset 6. Time is the most valuable resource we have. Yet so many people underestimate the role time plays in building wealth, which often keeps them financially average. Those who understand how time works tend to manage money wisely. Trading time for money is challenging. Relying only on an hourly wage makes it tough to get rich unless the pay is high. With only 24 hours in a day, achieving a six-figure income alone can be difficult. Also, as we get older, time becomes scarcer. In youth, with fewer family responsibilities, one can work extensively. However, as commitments increase with age, we have less time to commit to making money. Recognizing this, wealthy individuals don't rely solely on their 24 hours a day. They build wealth by utilizing other people's time, money, and expertise. Rich people also understand that there are no shortcuts to being rich. After all, it's time in the market and not timing the market that will make you wealthy. The key is therefore to get started as soon as you can. You don't need a fortune to start. Even small amounts invested consistently over time can grow into something significant thanks to the power of compounding. Compounding is a powerful investing concept that involves earning returns on both your original investment and on returns you received previously. The longer you keep your money invested, the longer it has to compound. For example, if you started investing $100 a month at the age of 30 and continued until you were 60 with a 10% annual rate of return, your nest egg would be worth $217,000. But if you started investing $100 a month at the age of 20, stopped when you were 30 and left the money in the account until you turned 60, you would have accumulated $367,000. That's the power of compounding. So, if you're not doing it already, start investing today. It doesn't have to be much, just as long as you start. Asset 7. Your health. Ever heard the saying, health is wealth? Well, it really is true. In the world of investing and finance, most people simply focus on building and protecting their wealth. Yet, what is often overlooked and neglected is our most valuable asset. An asset so critical that without it, we are unable to enjoy the fruits of all of our other assets combined. The asset is you and your health. It may not always be top of your get-rich list, but prioritizing your mental and emotional health is critical to building wealth over the long term. In fact, being physically fit is crucial for you to achieve all your ambitions and goals. It is a fact that healthy people are more productive. Studies have shown that people in good health are able to earn more money and work more productively. Making money takes energy, so healthy energy levels are critical, especially over the long term. If you cultivate good, healthy habits, you can keep earning money later in life. When you have high fitness levels, you also tend to have greater confidence and more of a go-getting attitude, which will enable you to succeed in all your aspirations. This is why wealthy individuals often adopt healthier lifestyles, investing in personal trainers, eating a balanced diet, or engaging in activities that promote mental clarity like meditation or yoga. Ultimately, if we invest in our bodies and do regular exercise, we cannot only work more and earn more, but we can live a long and healthy life, maximizing our time to spend with our loved ones. Start following this plan if you truly want to change your financial reality. No matter what stage of life you are in, putting this strategy into practice will yield amazing results. So, take charge of your financial journey right now to enjoy a future with financial freedom. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on more content. Until next time, keep building your wealthy life.